Hello everyone. In this video, we will see some of the important MCQs on exception handling in Java. First question, program statements that you want to monitor for exceptions are contained within a dash block. The answer is try block. That means in your program, if any statement is causing an exception, you have to keep that statement inside a try block. Next question, d is equal to 0, a is equal to 42 by d. This code will cause dash exception. So what is the value of d? D value is 0. So it becomes 42 by 0, which is a divide by 0 error, which is otherwise called as arithmetic exception. So the answer is arithmetic exception. Next question, which of these classes is used to define our own exceptions? Very simple question. The answer is exception. So if you want to create our own exceptions, then you have to extend the exception class. Next question. Which of these clause will be executed even if no exceptions are found? The answer is finally block. That means in your program, whether or not exception occurs, the finally block will definitely execute. Next question. To manually throw an exception, use the keyword. The answer is C. So in your program, if you want to create and throw an exception, use the keyword throw. It is not throws, it is only throw. Next one. Any exception that is thrown out of a method must be specified as such by a dash clause. Now the answer is throws class. See, what is the meaning of this? If any method is causing an exception and if it is not handling it, then it has to specify that by using the throws class. Right? Next question. Which exception is caused by the following code? Int c is equal to 1. So there is only one element, that is c of 0. But in the next statement, I am trying to assign the value 99 to c of 42, which is not correct. So you are going to get an exception. That exception is array index out of bounds exception, right? Next question. All exception classes are present in dash package. Straightforward question. The answer is java.language package. Which of the below operator is used to generate an instance of an exception that can be thrown by using throw? The question meaning is, if you want to throw an exception, you have to first of all create it. How to create exception? By using the new operator, we can create the exception. So the answer is new. Okay.